In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and structure a regular project with standard tasks, sections, and attachments, then save it as a reusable template. If you find yourself building the same kind of project over and over again, turning that setup into a template can save a lot of time and help your team stay consistent. A template lets you preserve the structure of a project, including its key sections, common tasks, and any relevant attachments. So the next time you start similar work, you are not beginning from scratch. To get started, open the project you want to use as the foundation for your template. Before saving it, make sure the project is organized the way you want future projects to look. This is the moment to confirm that your sections are clearly arranged, your standard tasks are included, and any attachments that should carry over are already in place. Think of this project as your master version, since whatever structure is here will shape the template you create. Once everything looks right, go to the top of the project and find the project title. Next to that title, click the drop-down arrow. This menu gives you access to additional project options, including the one you need for turning the project into a template. From the drop-down menu, select Save as Template. This opens the template setup window, where you will define how the template should be stored and who can use it. At this stage, choose a clear and recognizable template name. It is a good idea to give it a name that makes its purpose obvious, especially if you expect multiple people to use it later. A descriptive name can make it much easier to identify the correct template when creating future projects. After naming the template, configure the permission access settings. This controls who can view or use the template. So take a moment to choose the option that best fits your workflow. For example, you may want to keep it limited to a certain group or make it available more broadly if it is meant to support a standard process across a larger team. When the name and permissions are set, click Save Template. Your project structure is now stored as a template and can be used again whenever you need to launch a similar project. This helps streamline setup, reduces repetitive work, and ensures that important sections, tasks, and attachments are not missed. That's it. You have successfully turned a regular project into a reusable template, making future project creation faster, cleaner, and more consistent.